Hey everybody, today I'm going to let you in on an incredibly good affiliate marketing program that allows you to make insanely high commission rates. And if you know anything about affiliate marketing, you'll know that these rates can often change. So if you're seeing this and interested, you should definitely act fast so as not to miss the offer. See, most affiliate programs offer 25, 30, 50%, and some of the best of them go as high as 80%. If you can get accepted to join them, that is. But what if I told you there is an affiliate program that was free to join, everybody gets approved, and pays 566% on every sale? Yes, you read that right. For every $15 sale, this company gives you 100. That's the kind of mind-blowing rate, isn't it? Okay? Not only that, but if you can promote this product, and there are tons of other products in this niche that you can promote to make even more money, the best part is this isn't an ebook or an online course or another informational product. The program I'm going to show you today is actually software that every business owner and entrepreneur can use. I use and trust them for my own business, and the chances are you're already using something like it. But before I reveal what that company is and how you can make all these incredible commissions from them, I just scratched my nip. I want you to welcome you to this channel. Our goal is to provide you with the best content to make money on the internet, especially if you're a beginner. And whenever somebody asks me, what's your favorite program or way of making money online, I always say affiliate marketing. Why? Well, because with affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products, services, or courses. You simply promote someone else's programs and collect a commission every time somebody makes a sale. That's what you need. And it's the best method I know to make money online, no matter what your level of experience is. So I've created this channel where I can release new strategies and give them to you absolutely free. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe button down below so you'll know when the next one is around and you won't miss it, okay? All right, so let's get into it. The company is called GetResponse. They're an awesome email service provider that has some of the best features and the best pricing in the business. For just their simple $15 a month plan, GetResponse offers unlimited landing pages, auto response features, a full-blown sales funnel builder, and the ability to sell e-commerce products that more than the average online business or local brickmaker would ever need, and all for $15 a month. And there's the crazy part. I was talking about it in the beginning of the video. Let's check out the affiliate program. Now, they do have an option to earn 33% for every month, which is a great plan if you're working with companies that have a large email list. But if you're just getting started, GetResponse will pay you $100 for every sale you make, including their $15 option. That's 566%. Now, I don't think it's a better deal in the market these days, and it probably won't last forever, so definitely go and check it out. Now, if you might be thinking, that's great, but how do I actually promote this thing? There are a few options. The first, you can promote videos or create videos to promote and review different email platforms like MailChimp, Aweber, etc., and show the features GetResponse offers. Just a hint of what they're talking about, and their landing pages are still some of the best I've ever seen from email providers. Second, you can contact local business owners that could use email marketing and offer to show them how to set up one for free as long as they use your affiliate account. Look, there are so many small businesses, from coffee shops to local handymen, that don't use email marketing. And if you just show them 10 of them, how to get started for $15 a month. That's $1,000 in your pocket just for helping local businesses. Third, you can start trying your own email list on digital marketing that teaches people basic email strategies. The great part about this method is if you build your own email list, you can promote products other people in different niches to increase their earnings. Now, if you're thinking, I don't know anything about email marketing, no, that's okay. See, you don't have to be an expert to make money as an email marketing coach. You simply promote world-class training by other experts who will help them set up the email accounts, build their lists, and write highly engaging email copy that sells their products or services, while you collect a commission on every single sale. That's the method I've chosen to build my business, and I've just done that by partnering with one of the most respected email marketing legends in the world, Anthony Morrison. Yes, he has a program that for just a few dollars a month will teach business owners how to set up and run the email marketing lists. The best part is, not only can you get a commission for promoting his products, but if anyone signs up under GetResponse, you'll also get a commission from that autopilot. This is how you really begin to build long-term sustainable business that produces passive income day in and day out. Check it out in the link in my description below, and don't forget to subscribe so you'll know when I release my next training. Gotcha.